Well, the guys at STOCKX have done it again. They've announced this week an additional fundraising, another $255 million US. They have raised, taking the total value of the business now to a whopping $3.8 billion. Now that's up 35% from when they did their last raising in December of 2020. So they're continuing to show incredible increases in their valuation. This latest fundraising is done in two parts. There's a $60 million US primary offering, which is basically new shares, if you like, being created, whilst $195 million of that is coming from what's called a secondary offering, or stock from employees. So it's a nice way for existing employees to be able to take advantage of the huge valuation increase that the business has seen. So how can we get some of this action if we wanted to invest in STOCKX ourselves? Well, there's talk that in the second half of 2021 they may look at some kind of stock market listing. At that point, then it would be open to retail investors, etc. But we're going to have to wait and see what we find out about that. In the meantime, they want to sort of continue to expand globally. They want to diversify their categories still and grow their core businesses as well. They're definitely talking about massive opportunities ahead, and they want to basically be a global marketplace for consumers of current culture. To give you some numbers, etc., from 2020, they did $400 million US of revenues or turnover or sales. That's a $1.8 billion of gross merchant value. So that's basically the total value of everything that was sold on the platform. 70% of users are under the age of 35. There's been a 100% increase in purchases from females. There's been over 100% increase in international purchases, a 75 times increase in electronics, and the numbers for consoles, it equates to pretty much one console trading every minute of the day. And they've seen a 4,000% increase in sales of collectibles. So they're seeing huge growth across all their categories. They've talked a little bit about NFTs in an interview with Scott Cutler, the current CEO, and they were saying how they are sort of a platform that's able to sort of harness any new investments, etc., that might come about. So there's lots of exciting things still to come for STOCKX. So definitely watch this space, and let's all wait until we can actually get a chance to maybe invest in it ourselves. Any questions, please do let me know, and I'll speak to you soon.